Best 4K Dash Cam. Number 1. Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam. The Red Tiger F7N Samart Dash Cam offers top quality 4K 3840x2160p on front camera and 1920x1080p on rear camera that captures super clear view. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Wide-angle dual cameras capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions etc. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. With the UCam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. What's more, video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed and other information. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Vantrue N4 4K Dash Cam. The N4 is a triple-channel dash cam which offers 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera and 160 degrees rear camera. It can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle while providing audio at 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p, protecting you from potential accidents and liability issues. When set to front and rear dual recording mode, the cam provides a 4K 2160p resolution front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The rear cam is easily 360 degrees adjustable with 20 feet extension cable, and it works well for cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and truck. The front camera can seamlessly record up to 4K when used alone, enabling clear capturing of license plates and road signs. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Azdome 4K Dash Cam. Now you can record crisp 4K videos with Azdome Dash Cam's revolutionary 6-glass wide-angle lens with proprietary focal length technology powered by Novatech 96670 chipset processor and GC4653 and Sony IMX307 and GC2053 ultra-low light capture sensor. This cutting-edge technology allows high-quality recording even from far-off places. The effective distance that can clearly identify the license plate number is within 6 meters. The built-in wide dynamic range, WDR, technology helps capture optimum lighting and image details, in both bright and dark conditions. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Rover 2 4K Dash Cam. The Rover 2 4K Dash camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, ultra-low Lienser NT 96660 plus Sony IMX335, helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light condition. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our car DV player. We provide free firmware upgrade for this car camera. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Kingsland 4K Dash Cam. Kingsland D5 front dash cam shoots 4K 2160p 30fps UHD/2.5K 2560x1443030fps/1080p 60fps Full HD videos, clearly capturing license plates and road signs for every recording. Easy to connect D5 car camera with upgraded Kingsland app. You can playback and download videos without taking out the SD card and adjust the settings directly via phone app. Work with Android and iOS devices. Records and save your route and driving speed in videos. GPS module attached to the dashcam, no need to wire the GPS cable separately. Recommend to download the GX Player on our official website to play back the GPS videos. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.